Hey guys, Mimic here again with another video. This one's going to be about contracts, what they are, why you want to do them, how they work, and where to get the best contracts. Real quick before we start the video, just want to thank everyone for all the comments, all the likes, all the views. I've gotten over 21, almost 2,200 views in just 2 days of creating content across all my videos. And I want to thank y'all so much for taking the time out of your days and watching the videos, commenting, liking, and subbing. I really appreciate it. With that all being said, let's jump into what contracts are in Throne of Liberty and why you want to do them. Okay, first thing is this is going to be mainly for a you can do this throughout the levels of level 1 through level 50, but mainly this is going to be for level 50 content. I will do another video that breaks down when and where you want to be doing your contracts as you're leveling, but this one is for once you're already level 50. But you can still follow this guide if you're leveling through Throne of Liberty right now. Maybe you're level 20 or level 30. You can still follow this guide to give you a brief understanding on what you want to be doing with the contracts as you're leveling. So first thing is you want to press bring a map up, and this is where you want to be. This is the whole map, and this is where I'm at right now, Pure Light Tower. Now you can do contracts here, you can do contracts at Watchers, but from what I've done and what I've seen, Pure Light Tower has the best contracts, and the fastest way you can do the contracts is here. Now, what are contracts? Contracts are these daily quests or tasks that the game gives you, and they give you 10 contracts a day. And what they are exactly is you come to this NPC right here, this contract manager, and again, I'm here in Pure Light, so he's right here. And just to give you some reference, he's literally right in front of this big old gold little arch thing here, right in front of the main door. You come up to him once a day, and you can see at the very bottom you're going to get 10 contracts every day that they let you do. Okay, and the max that you can have equipped is 5, so you can do 5 at a time. So understanding the contracts, so once you come here, you can see this contract here says popular weapon crafter's favor. It's a shattered temple contract, and it's level 50 to 50. When you do the contract, it's going to give you rare magic powder, it's going to give you some abyss tokens, and it's going to give you 10 selection chests, which you can use this chest to craft other items. And I'll kind of break down what these selection chests are in another video, but it's a crafting material that you do need to make blue armors. Okay, so it's good to do these. Now, the main thing you want to focus on is if you're trying to level your weapon quickly. Let's say you're trying to get to your max level weapon, and you want to max your weapon out as fast as you can. You have a level 9, let's say the blue weapon is like a level 6, and you're trying to get it to level 9. Then what I would recommend is only picking up weapon contracts, and you can tell which contracts they are because if you look, you can see that these are going to give you rare weapon growth stones. And remember, you can do 10 of these a day. All right, so if you're just trying to farm and get your weapon as strong as possible, as quick as possible, only focus on doing the weapon contracts. And you can see here, if I click it, it's going to give me a rundown of what I need to do. It says I need to chop down trees at Pure Light Hill. I need to do 3 of them. I need to chop down 3 of them. I'm going to get roughly 2,000 gold. I'm going to get some contract tokens. I'm going to get some activity points, and then I'm also going to get the rewards for completing the contract. Okay. And remember, again, you can do 10 of these a day. So if you're trying to just farm weapon, then what you would do is I'm just gonna go ahead and take this one for the video. I'm actually full right now, so I can't. So once you've got the contracts, which I've already got my contracts for the day, you just press H, you scroll down, and they're gonna be here. From here, you can pin them, clicking this little pin right here, and they'll pin them to your notifications bar over here. And you can see here, these are the contracts I've got because they're yellow. Now I'm gonna just finish one contract for the video because I don't want to do too long, but I'm gonna show you how it works and how I do it. So I have to kill 4 more black boars. I've killed 10 already. I got to kill 4. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click it, and it's gonna automatically populate where they're at. So what I do is there's one right here. I'm just gonna right click and put a personal pin. And it's going to do like a little mini waypoint for me on the map so that I can always orientate myself on where I need to go. And you can see here on the top map here, the blue pin is up here, so I know I need to go northwest. So let's go run there and let's kill some boars. Okay, just going to run out here. We're going to fly over. And there's a boar right there. You can tell that they're your quest because you need to, they'll have like a little yellow icon, so that means they're part of my contract. So let's just kill him real quick. Kill him really fast. Alright, so there's one. You can see here on the contract that it went up 1. I had 10 before, now I have 11. So let's go kill some more. You can also see on the top right of my screen there on the map that there's got all those yellow little square triangles. That means that it's just giving me an indication that I've got contract objectives in this area. So it's just really easy to look up there, see where you got to kill, see what you have to do, and then just go ahead and kill them and do what you need to do. Now, not all contracts are kill contracts. There's some contracts that want you to like go uncover something, go look for something. There's other contracts that want you to fight like a mini boss. There's other contracts that want you to go and farm materials, like go mine ore or go chop trees, things like that. So I'm gonna after this contract is done, I'm gonna try to locate another easy contract, and then we're gonna do that on the video as well, so you can see. So I just finished this contract, and you can see right here I got a notification. If you press H, anytime you do a quest, if you press H, you're gonna get a notification there. So I clicked it and it said, look, completion reward. It gave me those rewards that I was hoping to get for the contract. So you can also see here I have another contract, says retrieve smithing tools. I need to go find some smithing tools, so let's go see if we can find it. I've got some yellow little things up here. There's the smithing tool right there, so just press F and boom, I just finished another contract there. So I got the notification, it says ancient silver weapon, click to claim rewards, click it, boom, just made another 4 glowstones for my accessories. So do your contracts, guys, because that is what's going to boost you and make you level everything up quicker. You're going to get stronger if you do your contracts every day. And remember, they give you 10 contracts that you can do every day. So when you log in, if you've got nothing to do, knock your contracts out, figure out what you're trying to level. If you're trying to do your armor, if you're trying to do your accessories, if you're trying to do your weapons, figure out what you're trying to push and just do only those type of contracts. Now, the way it works is you can come here and I can have a maximum of 5 contracts open at any time. So let's say I don't want to do any of these contracts, right? Like I don't want to do any of them. I just don't like what they want me to do, and I don't need any of these contracts. Then all you do is, as long as you've clicked and done one of the contracts on the page, you can then refresh them like this, and it's going to give you a whole new set of new contracts that you can filter through, and you can pick what you want to do. So for instance, this is a very easy contract, mine ore at Shattered Temple. This is another contract, guard the goblin herbalist and acquire a token. This is probably one of the easiest contracts you can do, and I do this relentlessly because it's so easy. So let's just knock it out really quick to show you how easy it is to make these glowstones. But you can also look through here and see, you know, if you're trying to do your weapon, you would do this one. It tells you what you need to do. If you want armor, you click this one. It tells you what you need to do. But right now we're gonna go with this one. It's on Fragrant Hill, and it is the rare accessory glowstone. I'm gonna get 4 of them. So I'm gonna accept it. And we're just going to go do the contract real quick. Now, I do this contract so much, I know where it's at. It's up here in this area. But just to show you guys again, you can just click, you press H, it brings up your mouse cursor. Click it. It's going to tell you where it's at. You just press M to bring up your map, and it tells you right here on this pin. This is where I need to go to activate the quest. So let's just go over there really quick and activate this quest. It shouldn't take long. Sometimes a lot of people are doing this quest, so the despawn and respawn timer on the quest can take a couple minutes. So if that happens, we'll just talk a little bit more about contracts and other things in the game to pass time. But hopefully, hopefully that the little goblin is there so that we can just grab him and do the quest. It's a very easy quest. You literally just have to guard him, and it takes like a minute, and then he spits out your rewards. So yeah, he's not here right now. He spawns in this little area. All right, here we go, goblin. Little goblin. Look, he's a little Smurf goblin. So he showed up. I'm just gonna press F to activate it, and he goes through a little tech thing, and then he's just gonna start running. He's running. You can see these two people are doing the quest as well. This is an easy quest. So if you're just trying to knock out easy quests, every time you pick your contracts, search for this one because it pops up all the time. And he's gonna stop here in a second, drop some herbs on the ground. I'm gonna pick those herbs up, and then he's gonna. Oh, no one picked this one up. I'll pick this one up too. I don't mind. Don't mind if I do. Then he's gonna run over here. We gotta follow him. And what's gonna happen is he's gonna aggro. He's gonna aggro some mobs that are here. You just gotta kill the mobs, and then he moves on to the next phase. But luckily, there's no mobs right now, so this is good. He's just gonna keep running. Oh yeah, there's a mob right here. He's gonna drop some more herbs. Yep. He's gonna drop some more herbs. I'm gonna grab this one. And you don't need to grab these herbs in order for him to move to the next phase. He just drops them for you as a reward for doing the quest, which is great because you do need the items that you get from the farming of the herbs for crafting food. So it's just like a nice benefit for doing the quest as well. But you don't need to farm the herbs to continue. He'll just manually run after a set amount of time. So he'll run here. Gonna probably drop some more, which he did. Gonna farm this one, and then he'll drop the bag. There's the bag right there. So you just grab the bag, the quest bag, and then you're gonna get a completion. There it is. There's a completion. I'm just gonna press H. I'm gonna click this, and there you go. Got my rewards. That's how quick you can get your contracts done. But until next time, this was the contract video. This is, why you want to be doing the contracts, which contracts you want to be focusing on, depending on what your goals are for your armor or your accessories or your weapons, and then where to get the contracts. You definitely want to try Pure Light Tower, guys. Okay, they're gonna give you some Chad contracts here. They're very easy, and you can do 10 a day, and it's gonna help you boost your character progression big time. So if you liked the video, throw me a like, throw me a sub, give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Until next time, guys, thank you so much. Peace.